Yo, what's up ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my new tutorial video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to create this simple and clean color grading in Premiere Pro. Alright, so this is the video clip which I'm going to use. It is in flat image or S-Log or V-Log. So I use the Lumix S5 with 50 lens millimeter. Okay, so I just want to create my own color grading without using any preset, but we will see some difference, okay, and we'll choose the way you want. Okay guys, so this is the video clip. This is how it looks like, okay, and I'm going to use this basic correction. But before, let me just duplicate this clip here. We will use like Rec 709, okay, but before here I'm going to use the manually mode for this first clip, and I'm going to use this manually mode. Okay, so first let me just come up here to create the adjustment layers. Okay, so I just want to apply two adjustment layer for this first clip. So this is first one, it is for my Rec 709, my own Rec 709, which I'm going to create. And then this is another adjustment layer, it is for the color grading. All right, so now let me just click here on this first adjustment layer. Okay, let me open up this basic correction. For this first adjustment layer, I just want to use this basic correction and only curves. Okay, so let me just open up this basic correction, and for removing this flat mode, let me just increase this contrast to a 100, and then even this black, let me just put it to -100. Okay, and then let me just close this basic correction, and let me open up these curves, and I'm going to use these RGB curves. Okay, so we know that here it is the mid-tone. Let me just add a point and let me move it up something like this, and then this is the shadow. Let me just move it down. Okay, looks like this. This is really nice. And then for this white, guys, let me just put it on the top here too. This is really good. But guys, in this image there is some more green, okay, color. What am I going to do? Let me just come up here on this green and let me move something like this, just a little bit. Guys, now you see how this clip looks like. Yeah, this is really nice. So, and for the guys, if you just want like more contrast, just come back here for this white. Maybe you can just move it down, yeah, something like this. But for me, let me just put it right here. Yeah, this is good. For this basic correction, guys, I can just increase the like a small exposure up to 0.3. okay, this is real nice. So now the next step, and I'm going to jump on this second adjustment layer, and let me add my own look. Okay, so now let me just close this basic correction. I will not use this basic correction anymore. Okay, and let me open up these curves. So for the first adjustment layer, guys, we have been used for these RGB curves. Now I'm going to use these hue saturation curves. Okay, so for these hue versat, okay, let me just I just want to decrease the saturation of this grace. But before we decrease the saturation of it, let me just come up here for this hue versus, because I just want the pure green. Okay, so you see guys, it is mixed with other colors. That's why I have to come here on this hue versus hue. Let me just select where my green it is. Yes, this is where it is started and this is where it's ended, because it is mixed with some yellows. That's why I have to select a small yellow and the green, and let me just move it down something like this. When it is not affected whole, guys, just I have to extend something like this and move it down. Now you see how it looks like. This is real nice. Okay, and then so let me just put it right here. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, and then so let me just come back here for this hue facade to increase or decrease the saturation of each color that you have been selected. Okay, so let me just select the green. Let me select the green here. If you just want, I can decrease the saturation of this green, or you can, guys, increase here. It depends what the mood, what the kind of the look you just want. Okay guys, this is looks nice. Let me just let it right here. Okay, and then guys, so for this grace, this is looking good. Okay, but let me just come up here on this hover luma to increase like a thickness, like the strong. Okay, even I have to select the same measure of this point. Okay, let me just move it down, something like this. Now you see, this is awesome. All right, so and then guys, let me just working on this skin tone, and this character is wearing red dress. Okay, so let me just come up here for this hover sat here. You can just increase the saturation of this, yes, this dress. Okay, but let me just reduce it. I just want to, yes, something which is so unique. All right, and then let me just come up here on these curves to close, and let me open up these color wheels. Okay, let me just choose this red, and then enable this color gray. So and I'm going to select this skin tone. Well, so let me just increase this first line, and for this second line I have to remove all, yes, all the colors except this skin tone. Yeah, this is really nice. Even this black, it must be removed. Okay, yeah, this is good. All right, so this is nice. And then what am I going to do, guys? Let me just smooth these edges where this skin tone is separated with the other colors. Okay, let me just increase this noise and this blur. Now you see how these edges, it is smoothed. All right, now just come back here for this fit. Now let me just close this color gray, and I'm going to increase the skin tone. Okay, let me just move it on this side, on this color side. Now you see how it is looking. When whatever you put, whatever the color you put it on it, yes, this skin tone to affect which the color you have been put it. Okay, let me just move it right here. Yeah, this is good. Okay, this is nice. And then let me just bring it, let me just give it like light or bright. Yeah, this is good. Even here too, you can just use this temperature. There is no problem. Okay, you can use any you want. Okay, for this skin tone, when it is too much saturated, guys, just come up here to reduce the saturation of your skin tone. Okay, because you see, guys, it is the skin tone only which is decreased. All right, and then so this is real nice. Okay, this is good. And then guys, so let me just add something on this black color. Okay, let me just come up here, guys, on these curves. Okay, let me just come up here on these color wheels. Okay, and I'm going to use this shadow, so I have to move down just a few little bit, and then let me just add like a green. Okay, you can use these color wheels, guys, or you can just come up here on these curves. Okay, and then just select this green. Okay, let me add the point on this mid-tone for this red, and then the shadow, the point for this shadow. And then when you move it down, guys, you see something what is happening here too. Okay, here you can use any color you want. Okay, but for me, okay, no problem, let me just use this one, but you have to add just a few little bit. Okay, now you see, guys, how this color it is looking. Yeah, this is looking pretty amazing. And then guys, so here, as I told you, we have already used my own Rec 709. Okay, for this clip, guys, let me just apply the adjustment layer here too. I just want to add like Rec 709. Okay, let me just come back here for this basic correction. Let me import my Rec 709. Okay, where it is located. Yes, as I told you there, I have been used this Lumix S5. So now let me just use this Panasonic Vlog 3. So not 3, guys, let me just add like 2. Yes, now you see how it looks like. Okay, and guys, I just want to apply this adjustment layer which have been created this look. Okay, so let me hold out on my keyboard to duplicate it, and let me just apply it here, guys. So now you see how this is looks like. This is looks also good, guys. You see, this is really amazing. So what can you do for these things? Maybe you can just add like, yes, some exposure and like some small contrast, guys. For here you can just apply something, yes, you want. So maybe you don't have this like Rec 709. But guys, for this first clip, you see also this is looking good. This is pretty amazing. This is looking nice. So guys, if you have any question about this video, guys, please drop it in the comment down below. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, share, etc. So, and I will see you in next video. Peace.